Cargo nuts are so useful, and honestly, I've been looking for the right one for my K-Truck. My K-Truck, she's a bit of a unique unicorn. She's not your standard size with anything that's comparable with an American truck or sedan. So for that, I've had to measure and think outside the box. I've been looking for something where I could maximize my headspace here, because when I sit, I still have about a good, 10 inches of headspace that I could be using for cargo. And that's where I landed on this guy. Now, when you get them, they do give you hooks for it and a nice comprehensive kit. But for me, that wasn't really useful because I'm going up here.
I'm really happy with how it came out. Now anytime I need to store anything, I can very easily just take, shove it up there, and I know it stays put, nice and snug, and it looks very aesthetically pleasing. I did measure it out before I installed it, and the sizes look right, and I really love the end result. It looks nice, it looks clean, very utile, so I can be getting quite a good amount of purpose out of it, because again, the cabin has minimal space. We got me, the passenger, this adorable little glove box, and what's on my dashboard. So far I've been using it for about 2 weeks, and not that I think anything bad would be telling in that time. It's nice, it's taut, the squares are pretty close in the middle to each other. I'd recommend get you one, even if you're not going to be using it as I do for a little bit of unintended purpose, for a little itty bitty Japanese K-Truck, but it also stretches very far. It can stretch up to 6 feet.